It's important to be able to get information about your Mac. You might use this if you're trying to get technical support and you need to tell the person what model you have, or if you're trying to buy an accessory like a case or extra drive or something and you need to know which model you have. If you go to the Apple menu and About This Mac, you get a special little window that gives you some basic information about your Mac. You'll see here it'll identify your type of Mac, in this case an Apple M1, the amount of memory, your serial number, and which version of macOS you currently have running. To get more information you would click More Info. This actually takes you into the System Settings app. It gives you more information there, which is different than previous versions of macOS where it stayed in its own little custom window. That's probably where you want to go to begin with. You would just go to System Settings like that and then go to General and then About. And here you'll get the most critical piece of information, which is the actual name of your Mac. So in this case the name is right here. MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020. All of that information is important for identifying your Mac. If you ever are asked to identify your Mac to tech support or to look up to see if it's compatible with something, use that entire piece of text. Of particular importance is the year. It says 2020. You may find other things like early 2021 or late 2022, that kind of thing, and that's all important as well. Then you'll find the other information here, like how much memory is installed on your Mac, for instance. You also find coverage details for Apple Care. In this case this is an older machine. The coverage has expired, but you might find something different there for a newer Mac. You'll find the version of macOS you've got. You also find information about the displays you have attached and how much storage. Pay particular attention to the second number there. That tells you the size of the drive you've got. Now you can also go to System Report to get even more information. And this opens up a special System Information app with this special window here. And now you can get detailed information about everything having to do with your Mac. Just select the category here. So for instance, you can get some general hardware information, but if you really want to know everything about your memory, you can go here. You can find the type of memory, for instance. If you wanted to know about the camera, you could click here and get information about which camera you've got. For instance, this is the FaceTime HD camera. For storage, you can see the devices here. This is just one device. It's divided into the system partition and the data partition, and you can select either one and then find out things about physical drive itself. You can even go down to Software Applications here, and it will look at all the applications installed on your Mac and give you a list with versions and such.